It's August. It's still so hot. But I do like sort of the pre-fall time of year where you get to look in anticipation to whenever the weather actually cools down. If you live in the South like I do, you know, we still have a long time of summer left before true fall gets here. Fall lasts in the South like a week, maybe two, and then we're straight to winter. But the good thing is I have my Fall FabFitFun Box. Oh, let me get it over here. So I'm going to unbox this for you, show you what's inside. I did partner with FabFitFun for this video. I've been a longtime fan of their brand and have gotten their boxes for years. If you want to get $10 off your first box, use the code I have written below when you type in your order, and you'll get $10 off your first box. So that's great. So these boxes I love to keep for myself. I also love to give them as gifts. These are just great gifts. They come out seasonally, 4 times a year. So you've got 1 box per season. They always have full-size products. So none of like the little tiny samples, like you get good full-size products of beauty, fitness, lifestyle, you name it. So FabFitFun, this is their August box. They partnered with City of Hope, which I'm assuming I'll learn more about in the little catalog they always include right on top. And that is this. It always has more information about what's included in the box in it. So I always set this aside because something smells great, because I don't want to be, I like to just look inside and open it. So I'm going to set this on my desk here. And then there are a few coupons on top. This is a HelloFresh coupon, and then, promo code for $15 off your first FabFitFun box. So you could give that to a friend or buy a gift for a friend with that. So let's get into it here. It's not uncommon for me to smell something good and then try and discover what it is. Oh, this is right on time. Okay, this is Aveda's Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Instant Visible Repair. This is a leave-in that you use daily. Yep, you put it on damp hair. Don't rinse it out. This is perfect for end of year or end of summer. If you have been outside much, swimming at the beach, in the pool, you name it, just in sunshine. Hair goes through a lot pretty much throughout the year, but especially in the summer on the damage front. So something like this, just to add into your daily routine. I wonder if this is what I smell. I think it is. Aveda products always smell so good. Great. I'm excited to try that. This is also a good size of a product too. I hate when they're either too small or too big. Like this would also be good for travel because it's not that huge. So great. I'm excited about trying that. This is an aromatherapy deep relax rollerball roll-on. Restful and tranquil. I've already had 2 cups of coffee today, so I'm not going to roll this on now. Maybe I'll roll it on later. Oh, it's beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. I'm going to give it a smell. Hopefully I don't fall right asleep. Oh, that smells really nice. That's a treat. I don't think I've gotten anything like this in a FabFitFun box before. So that's fun. Something new and different. All right, I'm seeing some jewelry. Let me grab that. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are ear crawlers. I love ear crawlers. It's a big trend this year to do a lot of earrings, a lot of little ear huggies is what they're called. So it's not like a full-on hoop. It kind of hugs your ear lobe. But also ear crawlers for someone that doesn't have a lot of piercings. These go in your main like single hole if you have just one. And then you position them to crawl up your ear. All right, let me put them on to show you how they work. So you take the earring, you put it through the hole, and then position the crawler up your lobe a little bit, and then the back of it is a little flexible. So you can kind of pinch it against your ear so it'll stay in place. But it's a cool look. I feel like it's it can look a little edgy depending on what kind of crawler you get. But I love that. You have the option too of just wearing them like a traditional earring, like hanging down. But the back of these is a little bit flexible. Like I said, I'm trying to get it out of the package without bending it too much. So you can kind of pinch this part against your ear. Let me make sure I get both earrings in. I have been known to put one in, especially on the side I tuck my ear, and then totally forget the other side. So you just put it up against your lobe, wherever you want it, and then pinch the back a little. It doesn't feel too tight. Yeah, cool, fun. I love that these are just diamond too, and they're gold. Beautiful. Well, that's fun. Okay, next thing I'm seeing that I really want to look at is the Trustique Mini Eye Essentials Luxe Neutral Set. I've honestly gotten some great makeup in these FabFitFun boxes. Oh, are these all crayons? Yes! I love like a cream product. Oh, this is wonderful. This is perfect for fall. So you've got an eyeliner, an eyeshadow, 2 eyeshadows, and then a mini eyebrow pencil. That is great. That is a wonderful size for throwing in your makeup bag if you carry like a small makeup bag with you during the day or for travel. I'm excited to try these. Great. That's fun. Now I'm wondering if this is what I'm smelling. Humankind is the brand. Body Souffle. Creme Souffle. Ooh, it might have been this. That Aveda product. Can I get this off? It's all packaged nicely so it doesn't come open in the box. This is, oh, that's what I smell. That smells wonderful. You can't have enough body lotion. Great. I also like that packaging. That'd be pretty on display in your bathroom. Okay, the next thing I'm seeing here is in a package. I'm seeing Amika on the outside of the package. I love Amika so much. Ooh, what is this? Oh my gosh, it's a flat iron. What in the world? That's awesome. Have I gotten a hair tool? I don't know. This is already a great box. Okay, so this is the Amika flat iron. Great. Let me see if there's like an actual official name to it so you know exactly which one it is. This is the Strand Perfect Styler. Cool. I love the color. Over on the other side of the box, these are exfoliating sugar cubes. Take a single cube with you in the shower and gently massage over wet skin. That's really cute as well. This might be my favorite box I've ever gotten from FabFitFun. Wow. Also would be a really cute gift. That's adorable. I will be using these myself. But if you give this fall box as a gift to someone, you're seeing what they would get in it, and that's wonderful. Okay, the last thing is kind of a bigger box on the bottom. Let me get it out. Oh, that's cool. A Gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board gift set. That is a perfect hostess gift. I have had a lot of my friends for a long time, so we're beyond the point of like bringing gifts or like a hostess gift over when they invite us over for dinner, because we usually just take turns having each other's families over for dinner. But as David, my 5-year-old, is starting school, I'm sure we'll be inviting new people over just to get to know them a little bit more. And while a hostess gift is by no means expected, it's a nice, thoughtful thing to do. Look at the size of this. That's really sweet. I love that. And it comes with 2 knives. So the middle here is like a porcelain, and then the rest of it is wood. Wow, that's great. I have so many cutting boards like this. I'm honestly going to stash this back in the box and give it as a gift the next time I'm invited to someone's house for dinner. That's really great. But anyway, a go-to hostess gift is like either wine or flowers, but something different like a little cheese board set is cute too. So those were all the items in my Fall FabFitFun box. What a win. Like, each box is exciting, but this one crushed it. I love everything in here. Again, like I said at the beginning, if you want to get $10 off your first box, use my code. I have it typed below along with the link. It is smallthings10. I've so enjoyed getting these boxes. I think you will too. It kind of gets you ready for the season. And yeah, they make great gifts as well. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and now I'm going to go swatch those eyeshadows on the back of my hand to take a look at those.